In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a mobile app website with Wix. Start by going to the Wix website. If you do not already have an account, create one. If you already have an account, log in to reach your dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the option to create a new site. Click it to begin the setup process for your app website. Next, choose a template that fits a mobile app or technology brand. Wix offers a variety of designs, so select one that matches the style and purpose of your app. After choosing your template, click Edit to open the Wix editor. This is where you will build and customize the site. Begin with the home page. Replace the default text with your app name and a short message that explains what your app does. Update the images so they match your branding and showcase your product clearly. You can also adjust the colors, fonts, and layout so the home page feels consistent with your app identity. Make sure the most important information is easy to see right away. After that, add the essential pages your visitors will need. A features page is useful for highlighting the main functions of your app. An about page can explain the story behind the app or your company. A download page gives users a clear place to get the app. A contact page allows visitors to reach out with questions or support requests. Use the page menu in Wix to create and organize these sections. Once your pages are in place, add download buttons for the App Store and Google Play. Place these buttons in visible areas, such as the home page and the download page. Link each button to the correct store listing so visitors can install the app directly from your website. When the main content is ready, go into your site settings and connect your custom domain. This gives your website a professional web address and helps strengthen your brand. Follow the prompts in Wix to complete the connection. Before publishing, click Preview to see how the site looks. Check both the desktop and mobile views carefully. Make sure the text is readable, the images are aligned properly, and the buttons work as expected on each screen size. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make your website live. Your mobile app website will then be available for visitors to explore and use. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.